Rain began intensifying along the California coast early on Christmas Eve, and within hours the situation escalated rapidly as roadways flooded, hillsides destabilized, and emergency alerts spread across much of the state. What started as steady rainfall quickly turned into dangerous flash flooding, driven by a powerful series of atmospheric rivers, overwhelming drainage systems and pushing rivers and creeks toward critical levels.
Saw what I showed you before, so not only are we stuck in Wrightwood, we're going to be stuck between Heath Creek and Sheep Creek. Crazy, huh? Hey Bob, I know where you might be able to get a good deal on a used BMW.
As the storms expanded inland, state officials moved swiftly. Governor Gavin Newsom declared a state of emergency covering Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, San Diego, and Shasta counties as rainfall rates increased, and the threat to life and property became clear. These same regions were already vulnerable after destructive fires 1 year earlier, leaving burn scars that now face a heightened risk of debris flows and mudslides.